9851, State of Texas versus Joe Anthony Vasquez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Done for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Robert here, Your Honor, for Defendant Joe Anthony Vasquez, and we're ready.
All right, and are you Joe Anthony Vasquez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review that with your client?
We did, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Vasquez, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Are you proceeding on the enhancement allegation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Vasquez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of assault family second offense? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record for a moment, please. Could you mute us? To go on one. All right, we're going to go back on the record. I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge, we do.
All right, it's my understanding that off the record, there was a discussion and states you're proceeding on paragraph 2 of the enhancement. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm going to show you what's entitled assault family second. I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and
This case moves fast, but don't let the calm fool you. When a judge opens with enhancements already on the table, the stakes are instantly doubled. This isn't just a plea, this is damage control before sentencing even begins.
Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand you're charged with assault family second offense? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If the state is able to prove up the enhancement allegation, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe that he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe that he is, and he was, Judge.
Mr. Vasquez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right.
Here's the legal reality: assault family violence, second offense, is no slap on the wrist. It's a third-degree felony, and that means prison time is a real possibility, not a scare tactic. The courtroom tone just shifted from procedural to serious.
Right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, you agree that you've been previously convicted of 1 or more felonies for enhancement. Punishments be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There are no applications. The state is taking in consideration 2023 CR 9852. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no harm for or injurious contact with Brittany Jimenez. All right, off the record. So parties know, unless Brittany Jimenez is here to state that she wants to have contact with him, the court is not inclined to follow that portion of the agreement. So is that going to be a deal breaker?
I don't think it'd be a deal breaker, Judge. Just to inform the court, she did sign a affidavit of non-prosecution in these matters.
All right. If y'all want to remove that in the initial.
Absolutely, Judge. So,
What does that mean?
you can't contact her while you're in.
Oh,
I just put NCO, Judge. That'd be okay with you?
I'm sorry.
NCO? Oh,
Yes,
contact her.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. And there's to be no contact with Brittany Jimenez. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it in both places?
This is the moment most viewers miss. That enhancement allegation? If proven, it quietly doubles the punishment range. Same charge, completely different future. This is why prior convictions follow defendants long after they think the past is behind them.
Places.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contents.
And to the enhancement paragraph, paragraph 2, how do you plead? True or not true?
Excuse me?
The enhancement paragraph that's in the indictment, how do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers States 1 and attachments.
Defense is reviewed, Judge. We have no objections.
Mr. Vasquez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand, again, that you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and
Notice the tension here. Even with a signed affidavit of non-prosecution, the judge isn't convinced. Victim consent does not erase court authority, especially in family violence cases. Protection beats preference every time.
stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty, and the court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We're ready for sentencing.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, find the enhancement true. That's paragraph 2. Sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Brittany Jimenez. Take in consideration 2023 CR 9852. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing further for defense, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Obviously, you have anger issues. You're one of those people who, I told the last gentleman he shouldn't drink alcohol.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be in a relationship.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I mean, you say
There's
you
always
know.
two sides to it, though.
Well, I mean, the problem is you say there's two sides to every story, but
This is a legal point of no return. Pleading true to the enhancement locks it in. No jury. No debate. The judge now has verified grounds to sentence at the higher range, and the defense just lost its last pressure point.
you can't go to somebody's house, break in a window, and then having them get in the car with you and threatening to damage the car with a crowbar if they do not. And you have other assault family cases. And I don't know why, but, well, I do know why. I know that, well, I should say, I know the different reasons why people stay in relationships that are abusive. But the fact that this person even continues to want to have contact with you, not happening. You need to move on. And you need to take care of your anger issues. So this is what you need to do. When you go to prison, do not be thinking about women. Do not be thinking about a relationship. You need to sit down and ask yourself how you got in the position you're in. And then when you're released from prison, because at some point you're going to be released, go get an orchid. They sell them throughout the year. That orchid is going to come with blooms on it. Once the bloom falls off and you're able to get that orchid to rebloom, you may be ready for a relationship. You understand? And if you come back for this, you know what your minimum is going to be in a case? 25 years. That's where you're going to be starting at because you're going to be a habitual. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Do you have the dismissal?
And here comes the judge, unscripted, direct, and brutal. This isn't just sentencing, it's a warning. Repeat behavior turns into habitual status, and habitual status turns years into decades. That orchid metaphor? That's the court saying, grow, or come back for 25.